The passage suggests which of the following to be true. South Korean exports are greater than Chinese exports. Now here it says that South Korea's exports fell by 8.1% and China's fell by 6.4%. And at another place it also says that China's exports have grown by 6% while South Korea has grown only by 2%. So there is only relative comparison between the two exports. No, but we can't say that South Korea's exports are greater than China's exports. We don't know the absolute numbers. That is not correct. Chinese labor costs are rising faster than those in other competing economies. It does talk about Chinese export costs here, but it does not say that those are rising faster than other competing economies. So this is not correct. Factory Asia trade is declining, leading to declining Chinese exports. Actually, Chinese exports are increasing. Just that the intra Asia export is decreasing. See, this is what it says here. This process has slowed down as China is climbing up the value chain. The share of intermediate parts is falling. Less intra-Asia trade, right? But the Chinese exports are still increasing. So this is not correct. Chinese exports are more reliable than exports in other countries in factory Asia. Yes, that is what it says here. Supporting this theory, Chinese exports, though volatile, have been more resilient than those in other countries in factory Asia. So this is correct. Let's keep it on hold. Climbing up the value chain increases and economies exports. It gives the example of China. China is trying to climb up the value chain and its exports are increasing. But we cannot say that this is a general theory, that every time this will happen with every economy. So that is not what the passage says. So this is not the correct answer. So the best choice we have is D.